Okay, so proceed tayo ng number 2. In an air standard Brayton cycle, the inlet temperature and pressure are 20 and 101.325 kPa. Determine tuloy. The turbine inlet condition are 1,200 kPa and 900 degrees Celsius. The airflow of the turbine produces 12 megawatts. So, ako dito, mas magandang alam mo yung diagram. Okay? Pamukha natin yung diagram dyan. So, this is the diagram. Lakihan natin yung drawing. Okay. So, nakuha natin yung diagram. So, dito, nagbigay siya ng point 1 and point 2. Mas magandang tinitignan mo yung Brayton cycle, open man yan or closed, base doon sa kanyang PV and TS diagram. But I do prefer to look at the TS diagram kasi mas effectively na makikita mo yung heat flow to the system. Now, nagbigay dito ng P1. Okay, P1 is equal to atmospheric 101.325 kPa. Ang tinatanong sa atin is the airflow. Airflow sa turbine. Okay? Kapag sinabing airflow, it could be tawag dito yung kanyang volumetric flow. Okay. So, tignan natin. So, temperature 1 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. And then, sabi dyan, the turbine inlet conditions that is P3 is equal to 1,200 kilopascals. And then, ang T3 mo is 900 degrees Celsius. Since yung TS diagram just clearly shows na yung 0.2 to 3 is constant pressure, so, ibig sabihin, P2 yung P3 mo. And then, yung iyong P1 that is equal to P4. Bakit, sir? Constant pressure din yan. Then we can say, okay, yung process at 1 to 2 that is isentropic compression. At process 3 to 4 that is isentropic expansion. Okay. Going back, process 1 to 2, okay, 1 to 2 that is isentropic. Okay, wag mo nang alamin kung compression or expansion, nasa drawing na yan eh. Huwag natin elaborate. We can have the following. So, T2 over T1 equal to P2 over P1 raised to K minus 1 over K. Sir, yung P2 and P1, that is what you call the pressure ratio. So, P2 over P1. Meron akong P1 and P2, given na kagad eh. So, yung P2 ko, that is equal to 1,200. Wag mo na ilagay yung unit kasi makakancel naman yan. Tapos yung 101.325 kPa. Tignan natin kung ano yung magiging RP niya. Okay? So, masosolve ko ngayon si T2. Kailangan ko ba ng T2? Hindi na. Okay? Ang kailangan ko masolve is T4. Same din yan. So, process 3 to 4, okay, maximum over minimum. So, this is T3 over T4 equal to, okay, RP na lang. So, RP raised to K minus 1 over K. Sir, check mo yan. Ayun, sa drawing, oh. Process 3 to 4. Maximum temperature, yun sa 3. Okay? Yung temperature 4, since nag-expand na siya, nag-cool down na yung gas. Okay, I'll have to solve for T4 kasi yan yung kailangan ko. Sir, bakit? Recall natin that the work of the turbine is given as 12 megawatts. Okay? And this is equal to MCP at the following temperatures kung saan siya nag-expand, which is T3 minus T4. Yan. So, wala akong M. Meron akong CP for the air, meron akong T3, and then masosolve ko yung T4. So, T4 is equal now to T3 over RP raised to K minus 1 over K. Take note, lahat yan naka-absolute. So, T3 ko is 900 degrees Celsius plus 273 para maging Kelvin. Divide by, okay, RK nilagay ko dapat, supposedly, this is RP. So, this is RP, P2 over P1. So, 1,200 divided by 101.325 raised to 1.4 minus 1 over 1.4. So, ano kayang lalabas na temperature dito? Let us solve. So, 900 plus 27 and 3. Yung RP sa baba. So, 1,200 divide by 101.325. Kapag hindi mo talaga maisip, hindi mo magagawa ng solusyon. So, 1.4 minus 1 divide by 1.4. So, ito yung naging T4 mo. So, 5, 7, 8. Para mas maganda, kunin mo yung 8 decimal places niya. So, 8870 Kelvin. Okay? Yan yung T4. Definitely, I can now solve for M. Okay, M. Sir, take note. Okay? Yung M ko dito, coming from the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to MRT, pwede kong padaanin na yung M is equal to PV over RT. Take note, ang kukunin mo dito is yung point ni 3. So, this is P3. Ang problema, wala pala akong V. Okay? Wala akong V dyan. Eh, yun nga yung sinosolve natin eh. Okay? Dali na yun, yung volume na yan. So, yung work turbine is equal to PV over RT. Lahat to 3. 3. 3. Times. Okay? Times CP, okay, times T3 minus T4. Okay. Sir, pwede ko na ma-solve si V. I-reform na natin na equation. So, V3, yung airflow of the system, is equal to W turbine, R ng air, temperature 3, divide by T3, tapos T3 minus T4. Yan. Natin. So, work of the turbine is 12 megawatts. Gawin ko na lang kilowatts. Bali, 12,000. 12,000, no? Things like that, pwede nang i-mental math. So, kilojoule per second. Okay? Tapos, yung kanyang R, which is R of air, 0.28708 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. No? Things that you need to always remember. Okay? Hindi kinokodigo yan. So, yung T3 is 900 plus 273 degrees Kelvin. Divided by yung P3 natin, nasaan yung P3? P3 is equal to P2. P2 natin is 101. Uy. P3 is equal to P2. Tama lang. Hindi siya equal to 1 ha. P3 is equal to P2. Okay, 1,200 kPa. 1,200 kilonewton per meter squared. Okay? Dapat meter cube ang lalabas dito. Tapos, kilojoule per kilogram. Tapos, Para may kulang ako. Yun, yung CP pa. Kulang pa ako ng CP dito sa ilalim. CP. Yan, CP of air. Nauna yung R. Okay, CP of air is 1.0062 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Okay, tapos na siya. Tapos temperatures. So 900 plus 273, 900 plus 273. That is 1170. 1173. Minus T4, that is 578. 0.8870 Kelvin. So, cancel all same units para makasigurado ka. Kilojoule, kilojoule, kilogram, Kelvin, kilogram, Kelvin, 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 kilonewton. Etong kilojoule mo kasi kilonewton meter. So, makancel si kilojoule, kilonewton, kilonewton, aangat to. Tapos ito, meter cube every second na lalabas. So, tama na yung sagot natin. Tingnan nyo rin kasi yung cancellation of units. Okay? So, 12,000 times 0.28708. Yes, yung 1, 2 at 12,000 pwedeng maging 10 na lang. Okay? Pero idiretso ko na dito since na-input ko na siya. 1173. Okay? Tapos 1,200 times 1.0062 times 1173 minus 578.8870. So, the answer is, medyo mahaba itong number 2. Napansin ko lang. V3, airflow of the system is 5.633. 6331 meter cube every second. Siguro ang tinatanong dito is yung mass flow. Okay? Yung mass flow of the system. Sir, nagbabago ba yan? I think not. So, gamitin ko na lang si P3 V3 over RT3. Okay. Si P3 mo is 1,200 kilonewton every meter squared. Si V3 is 5.6331 meter cube every second. Divide by R, 0.28708 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Tapos T3 is 1173 degrees Kelvin. Cancel all same units. Kelvin, Kelvin. Kilonewton, ito kilonewton meter. As meter squared, meter. Ang matitira is kilogram every seconds. So, this is 1,200 times 5.6631 divide by 0.28708 times 1173. Ito yung tinatanong dyan. Siguro, so mass flow is equal to 20.18062 kilograms every second. Wala man nilagay na unit. Okay? That is for problem number 2. Bali, mga 13 minutes lang din.